Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just an incredibly cool 1965 Corvette C2, a beautifully set up car. So in this video, I'm going to take you around the car. I'm going to take you for a ride in the car. Like, I'm even going to take you under the car. So let's go. Now, if I wanted, I could chirp the gears or chirp the tires shifting the gears in this thing. It is so powerful, this car. But it's like a really nice, like a power you can control really well. It's not sloppy, it's strong, it's, you know, it sticks to the ground. The handling's incredible, the shifting's tight. It just practically drives itself. Big bump. I've lost cameras there before. So this thing is just, it's a beast, but it's a very refined beast that's so nicely done. It's just relaxing to drive, but you can really lean into it and push it if you want and have a great time. It's all the gauges are in beautiful working order. The clock, we've got the stereo. This car has air conditioning, power antenna. It's got a, down here it has a override for the fan. So if you want to bypass and turn on the electric fan coming up to a hill, that's always a good addition. The horn works, the radio works, the blinkers, the lights, the headlamp doors. It's just a beautifully functional car, and the leather is super comfortable, and the car just has a great vibe. It's a nice car. This Tremec 5-speed is it. I love this. I love this. I've never driven a C2 with a big block and a Tremec 5. This is such a great setup. Nobody in front of me can go fast enough right now. So let's head underneath. So there's the bottom of the big block and the Tremec 5-speed manual. You can see it's got the cool side pipe set up, and that's a relatively New system there. Front and rear disc brakes. It's got a very nice undercarriage, really clean under here. Just very tidy underneath here. Nicely put together, and you can tell when you drive it. All right, here we go. All right, this is just such a great Corvette. If you have any questions, you can always call me. My number should be down there in the description. You can reach me at through my website, leftcoastclassics.com. If you haven't been over there already, that's where the bulk of the content for the car is going to be. So the third-party sites might have 80, 90 photos. There will probably be 300 or 400 up there. So if you really want to dig through every square inch of the car, you can do that. You can call me, you can text me. Check us out on all the usual social media platforms you like, probably Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't do a ton of it, but I'm up there a bit. And with a little encouragement, I'll do maybe a little bit more. And check us out on 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. We've got me with Mike, selling Mike a 57 T-Bird years ago with Ed China, back in the Ed China days. I think that was 2013 or 14. Then we have our last episode was, not our last, episode before last was a 72 Lancia Fulvia. And that was 2018. And then the most recent one, I can't say what it is because it's not out, but I think it's going to be the season premiere episode for the next season coming up, which launches here December, just coming up very soon here, December this year, 2020. So check that out. Thanks for checking out this great C2. Hope to hear from you.